we out here.
And it's kind of embarrassing, honestly. Like, why are you paying so much money to just sit and smoke? Like, you can just stay at home.
I'm pissed off with Ava.
I feel like I've been pretty reckless with my friendships and my relationships because I have that mindset of, you know, I'm better off alone anyways, which is absolutely not healthy and just ends up hurting other people. But we are unlearning behaviors and being more self-aware and learning every day. That's the only thing you can do, really.
It's probably because you didn't want to be with. Oh.
Yeah, sorry. Rui. She's just so funny the way she's like wagging her tail so.
Excuse me, boy on the sofa. No, it doesn't.
Please, come on, bitch, please. I'm going through a period of like extreme change and extreme things happening, which is unsettling and just makes me really think about my life and what I'm creating for myself and what I'm like manifesting for myself by everyday actions. So we are gonna go through like a little journey of of I don't know, like really, I guess, knowing what behaviors are destructive and what to keep and what to throw away. Emmy's got like 5 boys on rotation at all times. She's got like 5 boyfriends at all times. How many do you send if someone asks for nudes?
I'm just sending him. I've selected 4. I'm just sending
Like
him
a range, like a boob, like a front and a back. A front and a back and a boob, you know.
I'm just going through and just thinking, oh yeah, I look good in that one. I'll send him that.
Yeah. Let's go. I'm getting a flight to Italy today and I'm trying to pack. It's gonna be like 30 degrees there at some point. But I just don't feel summer ready. I have this one dress that I got from American Apparel. Shout out American Apparel. And it's kind of cute, but it's so see-through. I've got my chain. It's so see-through, you can literally see my tattoos through it, which is a good thing, but I don't know. I mean, it's cute. I just don't feel confident about my legs. I feel self-conscious. Because of like texture and stuff. And you can see like, I feel like you can see a lot of texture in my bum, which is like fine for the UK, but in Italy everyone's like so judgmental. I don't even know. It's cute though. It's cute though. Grazie.
Oh, non ti buttare addosso.
So to make a little cream, you put
I take
sugar.
like 1 spoon and a half of sugar, 1 spoon like
Teaspoon.
yeah,
Yes.
this size. And
That's already
no,
two.
No, wait. I take just some sugar if I have to correct after. Then...
Okay. Scientific. Now
Yeah.
we wait.
Sì, esce un po' strano perché non si sa. Va bene.
Non l'hai fatto uscire abbastanza.
Devo usare le prime
Gocce.
Okay.
Put that back there so
No,
the rest
we wait.
comes out.
Okay.
And now, yes.
You had to use the right quantity of sugar and coffee. Now I use too much coffee. Se no poi esce fuori. Ok.
Now when this kid becomes lighter, like a light beige. Ok, ecco. Tutto questo perché? E quando dovessi versare adesso, vedi che te la si mette?
That's gonna be so good. Okay, ciao.
Ciao.
Grazie. Hi. Whoa. Yes. Yes, bitch. And I've been having hot men come up to me and ask me what video games I like. And yeah, I mean, I fucking panicked once and I was just like, Mario, all the Mario games. I'm wearing low heels. Milan is so industrial core. This is where my mum lives. Sorry, I'm like hiccuping because I'm fucking tipsy as hell. We love it. We love it here. Okay, that's it. Bye.